Let's get on out here to the grill so I can show you how I'm going to set this up. Obviously, I want as little heat as possible, so I'm only going to use 5 or 6 coals, and that's just enough to get a handful of wood chips going. While that's coming up to temp, I'm going to go ahead and get my ice cream ready inside. Now, everybody I've seen is doing this a little bit different. Kind of made me want to come up with my own way of doing it. So I got these stainless steel bowls my wife bought me, and first I'm going to fill a large one with some ice and water, and then I'm going to take a smaller one and put it inside of that one, and that's where I'm going to put my ice cream, and it'll go on the grill like that. All right, I got my ice cream going, and I'm gonna let it go, get smoked for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna come out here and check on it. I just wanna see how fast it's melted and see if I need to make any adjustments. Back out here at the grill, you can see that I'm not generating much heat. This thermometer is right over the heat source, and I'm not even registering 200, it's more like 150. So it's generally 50 degrees or more difference in this side of the grill and the cool side. Let's take a look, see what we got. Getting some melting going on, but it's still very firm. Not a bad thing at all. I want to stir this up a little bit though and make sure everything is getting smoked. It's been 10 minutes in the smoke. I'm not seeing a lot of evidence of smoke as far as color goes, but that's a good thing because I really don't want much at all. Hickory is kind of strong, so I'm trying to be careful to make sure that I don't get too much smoke on my ice cream. All right, so 20 minutes have passed and I have already taken my ice cream off of the smoker, and as you can see, not all of it melted. My bowl full of ice works just great. So I'm just going to transfer this to another bowl that has a lid, put it in the freezer, let it freeze up.